Good day, ladies and gentlemen. We present to you MrWise and Gravity. This is eating competition. Let's go. Gravity is going. Wow, MrWise comedy. MrWise is going. MrWise is going. MrWise. The winner goes on with the sum of 15,000 naira. We are not joking. MrWise is going. You must finish everything. No? Don't allow the food to fall down. Finish everything. MrWise 1 down. Gravity 2 down. Gravity 2 down. MrWise, if you finish your soup, you finish the artwork. MrWise 3 down. MrWise 3 down. Gravity 3 going. Who is going to be the winner? MrWise, are you going to be the winner? Let's go. MrWise is going to be the winner. Gravity, what are you waiting for? MrWise going. Gravity, be fast, be fast. You must finish your food. That's the law of the game. Finish everything. And the winner is MrWise. MrWise, what are you waiting for? Gravity, MrWise is still waiting for you. And the winner is MrWise.